Today, I'm going to show you how to add a blog to your Thinkific site. I'm Harriet from Drop and Blog. Let's get into it. The first thing we need to do is install the Drop and Blog app from within our Thinkific account. To do that, once logged into your Thinkific account, on the left sidebar, look for Integrations and click on it. This action will take you to the Integrations page. From there, click on the Explore Apps button here. You'll be taken to Thinkific's App Store. In the search bar, type in Drop and Blog. Hit Enter. Click on the Drop and Blog app that will appear in the results page. In the Drop and Blog app page, click on Install just below the Drop and Blog logo. You'll be asked to give Drop and Blog permission to use your Thinkific data to create an account. Go ahead and click on Accept and Install on the bottom right of the page. And here, as you can see, you can invite teammates to help manage your blog. Just type in your teammate's email here, and to the right, you can choose one of the preset roles for that specific user. Then you can go ahead and click here to send the invites. Or you can choose to do all of this later. A Drop and Blog account will automatically be created for you, and you'll be directed to your Drop and Blog's code and layout page. Now, you'll be able to create a new page to show off your new blog. To do that, back on the Thinkific dashboard, navigate to Channels in the left sidebar, then click on Website, then click on Custom Pages up here, then click on New Custom Page on the right. In the pop-up, name your page. To be simple, we'll type in Blog. Once you're satisfied with your page name, click on Create Page on the bottom right of the pop-up. Now you'll be taken to the site editor. We'll just remove this banner section as we want our blog to be shown here at the top of the page. Just click on Banner here, scroll down, then click on Delete Section. This will give us more room for a blog. To the left here, under Sections, click on Add Section. In the pop-up, scroll all the way down to look for Drop and Blog. Then under that, click on Blog. Now you'll be able to see your blog in the preview right here. Click on Save up top. And just like that, you've added a blog page to your Thinkific site. To check out your blog, simply click on this chain icon to copy your blog page link. Open up a new tab. Paste the link in the address bar. Hit Enter. And there is our blog looking great. We'll click on a post. And everything is working as it should. Now the final step of the integration is to verify the integration. In your Drop and Blog account's code and layout page, click on the Verify Integration drop-down, then click on the Verify Integration button. Then you'll see a message here telling you that your blog is live. Once you've installed the Drop and Blog app and verified the integration, you're ready to start adding content to your Thinkific blog. To create and manage your blog content, open the Integrations page in your Thinkific account and click on the Visit Website link next to Drop and Blog. This will take you directly to the Posts page of your Drop and Blog account. To create a new post, click on the Add Blog Post button. This will open the Drop and Blog editor. Start by adding a title. Then use the content area below to write your post. You can type directly into the editor or copy and paste content from another source, such as Google Docs. If you paste content from another source, the editor will keep the original formatting, including headings, links, and even images. So your post is ready to publish almost right away. To format and style your content, use the toolbar at the top of the editor. Here, you can add headings to organize your content, use block quotes to highlight important information, and insert lists or tables to make your content easier to scan. You can also add images, videos, and call to action buttons directly from the editor's top toolbar. On the right side of the editor, you'll find your blog post settings along with several tools and features. At the top, you have Mention Boost and the SEO Analyzer. These tools are designed to help improve your content's visibility in both traditional search engines and AI searches. With Mention Boost, you can identify opportunities to make your content more useful and discoverable in AI search results. Here, you'll see a list of suggestions like adding a table of contents, lists, and tables that may help you improve your content's AI visibility. Just below that, you'll find Dropinblog's SEO Analyzer. To start optimizing your post for search engines, enter the keyword or phrase you'd like the post to rank for. In this section, you can also add your SEO title and meta description. You'll see a preview of how your post may appear in search results, along with scores for the metadata you've entered. Below that is Content Score, which provides suggestions for improving your content's SEO. Everything you need to make those changes is available directly within the content editor. Now let's scroll back up and look at some of the other settings on the right side. From here, you can quickly add an FAQ section or a table of contents. Simply turn on the toggle next to the section you want to include, and a Dropinblog will add it to your post. You can also assign an author and category, choose related posts, and customize the post's URL slug. Once your post is ready to go live, scroll up to the status setting and select Published. Then simply click on Save Post. Next, let's take a look at BlogPilot, Dropinblog's AI-assisted content planning tool. BlogPilot analyzes your site and suggests blog topics based on your niche. To start the analysis, open the BlogPilot page and click on the Build My Roadmap button. Once the analysis finishes, you'll get a list of topic groups. Choose the topic you like, and you can then generate blog post title ideas and outlines to help you start writing faster. Another useful Dropinblog feature is Smart Snippets. Smart Snippets lets you create a reusable piece of content once and display it automatically in different places across your blog. To create one, open the Smart Snippets page and click Add Your First Snippet to open the editor. For this example, we'll create a simple call to action button that sends blog visitors to the Thinkific page where all of our courses are listed. We'll change the button text to View Our Courses and link it to our courses page. Next, we'll move to the right side of the editor to configure the snippet. We'll name the snippet Courses page and make sure the toggle is switched on so the snippet is active. Under Snippet Location, we'll select Targeting. We'll set the snippet to appear before the post content. And under Posts to Target, we'll choose All Posts, since we want this call to action button to appear across the entire blog. Once we save the snippet, we can open the blog and view one of the posts. As you can see, the call to action button now appears exactly where we configured it. Dropinblog also gives you the option to offer your content in audio format using Blog Voice AI. If you don't see an audio player at the top of your blog posts, you can enable the feature from the Settings page. On the Settings page, scroll down to Engagement Features and turn on the toggle next to Blog Voice AI. You can also customize the sound of your blog by selecting the language and AI voice you'd like to use. To customize the appearance of your blog, open the Code and Layout page. Under Design Customizations, you'll find options for adjusting things like link colors, font sizes, and call to action button colors. Your changes will appear instantly in the live preview. And if you're comfortable working with CSS, you can customize your blog even further by adding your own styles in the Custom CSS section under Advanced Options. If you're managing your blog as part of a team, you can invite your team members to your Dropinblog account. Go to the Users page and click on Invite User. After entering your team member's email address, you can assign them a role based on the level of access they need. The available roles include Writer, Editor, and Admin. You can also choose Custom if you'd like more control over their access permissions. Dropinblog also includes tools for importing and exporting your content. If you'd like to create a backup of your blog, go to the Import/Export page and use the Export feature. On the same page, you'll find the Import tool which you can use to move an existing blog from another platform into Drop and Blog. Finally, one of the advantages of Drop and Blog is that it's platform agnostic. So if you ever decide to move away from Thinkific, you can take your Drop and Blog content with you. Drop and Blog works with a variety of platforms, including online course platforms, e-commerce platforms, and website builders. To see a full list of supported platforms, visit the integrations page. And that's how you add a blog to Thinkific with Drop and Blog. Happy blogging!